Hustle will always cost you more time, money, and stress than systems will. Throughout this series, I have shown you how to organize your brand files, document your decisions, and manage everything inside Asana. Now, if you missed any of those episodes, I'll drop all the links below. Go back through, okay? But in this final video, we are pulling it all together. This is so your brand stops living in scattered places and it can actually start functioning as a reusable, updatable system that you can grow with, or it can grow with you. Let's talk about the real goal here. It's not just being organized. Although I will say there's a lot to be credited to being organized. But it's not just about that, okay? And it's not just about saving time, although I'm all about creating more time away from the computer, right? And more time with family, making memories. That's always my number one goal. The goal, though, is to build a brand system, not something that you're constantly rebuilding, but something you reuse, refine, and eventually delegate if you choose to. Okay? What a brand system actually is. A brand system, first, though, is not a folder of random files. Okay? A list of notes in your head. All right? A one-time branding exercise. No. A real brand system is decisions documented, okay, files organized, okay, and processes connected, okay, tools working together. This is the key. And that's why I focus on Google Drive and Asana in this series. Drive stores the assets. Asana manages how they're used. Reusable. Stop starting from scratch. Okay. We want to make it reusable. So when your brand is systematized, every bio starts from a template. Every piece of content follows the same messaging rules. Okay. Every offer uses consistent language. You're no longer figuring it out again and again and again. You're simply executing what already exists. You want it to be updatable, built to evolve. Your brand should grow with you, okay? And a system allows you to do these things, to update messaging without breaking everything, to adjust tone as your audience evolves, your business evolves, refresh visuals without chaos, okay? So instead of change, if you make it and choose to, creating friction, it becomes part of the process. That's the difference between hustle and systems. It's very delegatable, even if it's just you for now. This part matters if you never plan to hire help, okay? A delegatable brand system means that you can hand things off someday without explaining everything, okay? It makes it so much easier. And you can batch work faster, okay? You can step away without things falling apart. And honestly, even delegating to the future you, that can be powerful because you're creating clarity that saves you time again and again and again. So if you're still figuring out what systems to build first, I've got a free download for you. It's called Systems, a guide to creating systems in your business. I'll link to it below this video. It's going to help you identify what to systematize now without overcomplicating things. So system means less hustle. Hustle asks you to push harder. Systems ask you to build smarter. Hustle is going to burn you out. Systems, they actually give you leverage. And your brand is one of the most important systems that you'll ever create. All right. If this series helped you see why your brand needs systems and not hustle, the next step is actually building them, okay? And inside my $7 membership, Vision Mastery Accelerator, we don't just talk about organization, we set it up. I give you the templates and the steps. And yes, $7 a month, you'll be guided step by step through creating the exact foundations your business needs in order to grow without chaos. You're going to start by clarifying your values, mission, and vision, and then move into mastery, where we map your daily rhythm, your workflows, and your recurring task. From there, we're going to build your systems. setting up Google Drive and Asana as your business hub, okay? And using templates, demos, and real examples so nothing slips through the cracks. This is where ideas turn into structure and structure turns into momentum. So if you're ready and you're willing to stop rebuilding your business over and over again and start running it with clarity, with consistency and calm, then Vision Mastery Accelerator is waiting for you. The link to it is below.